So what is the difference between level 1 and level 2? Why should you look at level 2? So he's come all the way from Bangalore for this launch.
And to meet Girish. Actually,
you can
one more thing I want to add is this carries 2 years warranty.
Okay. And in this particular jacket you have additional sliders. Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. Today we are headed off to Power Sports because they are going to launch a all new jacket which is called as Corda, and I want to go check that out and also unveil it today, which is the official unveil today in Mangalore showroom at Power Sports. And let's check if that riding jacket is of any good or not. Riding jacket is very, very important, and they say it's going to be a good jacket, so let's go check that out. And I'm also going to do a small video on that jacket right then and there when I'm at the showroom, and check how good or bad is that jacket, and give my small first look at the jacket. So without wasting any time, let's head out to Power Sports. And if you're new to my channel, do consider to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to make sure you get an update on every video I upload. I'll see you guys right after this intro video at Power Sports. So here we are at Power Sport, checking out the all new riding jacket which is called Corda, and the come in I think about 3 different models. We're going to tell you in detail what are these 3 different models and what these can do. And we've got a special guest from Bangalore as well. Here we have Gautam Naidu.
Namaskara.
Namaskara sir. Hello friends.
Namaskara, Skate.
So we've got Gautam and all our Mangalore riders from across place, and couple of guys from Puttur, Adyanadka, and yeah, Googly is there. So we've got a couple of people here, and this is the range of riding jackets that we have, and we will give you a demo of all these riding jackets and tell you more what these jackets can do and why you should consider buying one of these. So we've got Manjunath from Power Sports, and yes, he owns this place. And he's going to give you a small intro about the riding jacket, and then we'll take it forward from there. So can you just explain what are these 3 different models that we have got today?
Hi, myself Manjunath from Power Sports. I own the store, and we have introduced a new jacket called Corda. So this is in replacement of Aspida.
Okay.
So this is going to be a touring all-weather jacket, which is going to have SafeTech armor with level 2 armor, and it comes inbuilt with the chest protection also, level 1, and you get the separate thermal liner and separate rain liner.
So they're the part of the jacket, or you need to buy them separately?
That is a separate
buy.
You have to buy it additionally.
Like it's okay, like a Google phone. You just customize
add
the way
on,
you want it.
Like you can add on the accessories.
Yes. So let's have a quick look at these jackets, and yes sir. So if you could just take forward and show us all the jackets that we've got.
So this is a starting jacket in Corda. Starts with 6,999 price tag.
Check this out guys. So we've got a new jacket which is the brand new starting range Meglo launch mandundu vera. So best part of the banda nikle maat level 2 armor tikkondu, that is back protector, shoulder, elbow. Only chest unnate level 1. Therefore chest irige but split barpunate height only level 1 India undu, level 2 by G. Irige level 2 board and upgrade manpoli. The way you need to upgrade to level 2 is you get a Superman chest protector, which is one piece. Only that's level 2 currently available in India, and level 1 is split ones. You do not have different ones. So what is the difference between level 1 and level 2? Why should you look at level 2? Is that level 1 takes or transfers higher amount of impact to your body. That is, at any point of time, if you fall, level 1 itna, it is up to 35 kilonewton at the force tikun body. Because normally you travel at a force of 40 kilometers. Your body can travel at a force of 40 kilometers per hour when you have a fall. Anything beyond that, you will break your bones, and that is when you wear out your skin up. But if you are below that, this is something which will protect. Level 2 double protection. So you can it will transfer only 20 kilonewtons of power, force back to you. That's why our double protection. I goes there level 2 ತೋಡು ಎಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ. And as per the latest survey, even head injury ಏತ್ normally damage happen or deaths happen, ate back injury happen. So it's very important to have a good back protector. Therefore, nama eppara boornaga your head will fall down on the road and then you'll turn this because you give your shoulder and then that is where you have your spine. And the other reason to have chest protector in every riding jacket currently, there's again a reason for it. Because I don't know, people say heart, lungs, and rib cage is important. I heard somewhere. I don't know if it's important. You are the best judge for it. So if you think it's important, please buy riding jackets which have riding protections which will take care of the chest as well. So this is very, very important. Then as usual, shoulder, elbow is a common impact. The minute you fall, first impact is elbow, second impact is shoulder. And then if you know how to roll, so when you fall, if you know how to roll, you will fall on the shoulder and roll, so that your elbow is also taken care. But sometimes we also give our hand, so that's why it's very important to have your riding jacket, riding gloves also, and better buy a leather riding glove. It has a higher abrasion period or time, and especially if you have a TPU or a gel here, it's very, very good because TPU gives you extra protection. So Undupura, a little technical. Whenever you are buying, do a little research, spend some time because ಒಂದು ನಿಕ್ಲಿನ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಂದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಂಚಕೊಂಡ ನಿಕ್ಲೆಗೆ ಏಪ ಬೋರ್ಡು ಅಪ್ಪಗೆ ಗೆತ್ತೊಂಡ್ರ ಬಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೆವರ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬೈ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ once you are in hospital and say, oh, I want insurance, there's no point buying it. So you should to buy in prior and keep it. So this is Ingla very new level 1 or the entry level, not level 1, entry level jacket, which is more like a all season jacket. All of their jackets are all season jacket.
And rain liner and phone liner.
And any liner is additional. It's more like your Google phone. Or put a new lens, put an additional battery, put all those things. You can customize that. You can
One more thing I want to add is this carries 2 years warranty.
Okay.
For the impact resistant and for any abstract, what do you call
So
this?
for stitch and
for
any manufacturing
any
defect.
manufacturing defect, it carries 2 years warranty.
Wonderful, sir.
So
Wonderful.
that is
Super.
covered for all the jackets.
Okay, wonderful.
All levels.
So now this is the second riding jacket. Have a look, close look here. And ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಡ್ಲ ಗೊಂದುಪುರ jacket could be very useful if you see the construction and the material. This is mesh material. So it will breathe very well. Nama heat it will breathe very, very well. And any people who travel more around tropical region, anchina ride manpunana, it's very important you use something like this, which is mesh, so that your body is cooled down. Also, the air will breathe in and breathe out at the same time, which is very, very important. So you can do that. And in this particular jacket, you have additional sliders on your shoulder. So this is titanium sliders. You have titanium sliders, which is again very good. And again level 2 armor, that is back protector, shoulder, elbow. And chest is level 1 armor. So this is our next set of jackets. And then finally we have a touring riding jacket, and this is priced about 8,500, 8499. This is 6,999, which is 7, and then this is top of the line jacket, which is 9,999. So the difference between these and this is, you will see very first, the jacket is lengthier because the touring needs are more. You have more pockets. Like eighth board and a pockets at the other board, which is easily accessible. Definitely, when you ride longer, you would want your driving license, you would want your papers, documents, all could be second copy. You just keep it wherever you want. You could have your maybe a scissor, or which is very handy that you need. You have different pockets. Similarly, here you have good visibility also. When you do night riding, you need good visibility on the back as well. So you have reflector here, and then there's 2 colors here. Very good. So people who want to come, please sample it. Come and have a look. Again, level 2 armors, all back, shoulder and elbow, and chest is level 1. Gautam, if you could please come and also sample all this. I'm sure you would have already had a look. ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಮೇನ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಶ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾ.
ರೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೆರೇನ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು.
All weather.
So let me just check this touring jacket because I love touring. Try more of a touring one. This is slightly oversized one. But then it feels light also. It's not too heavy. It feels good. I think this is excellent. Just try the L one. What I really like about this particular one is this is light. I have a couple of other touring ones. That's slightly heavy compared to this one. This is much more lighter compared to this. And this comes with all throughout, like I mentioned, level 2 armors. Yeah, this fits good also.
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ವೈಫೈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
Very, very nice. I like the entire fit and finish of this, and plus the chest protection, which is good. The quality, fit, finish, supreme. Very, very good. Yeah, the size is perfect fit, perfect. I don't have to adjust anything, no adjustment, zero adjustment, and as is, it's a perfect fit. Yes. I can tighten this a little bit to reduce the air drag on top of it. This. That will reduce as much as air drag as possible while doing that. And then yeah, here a little bit of here and there. But then as is, this is very, very comfortable, and like I mentioned, for summer ride, this is the kind of jacket you would want because it will breathe very well. You know, and that will keep you cool as well, which is very important. So overall, wonderful jacket. So I'm going to give a description and the link as well on the bottom if you wish to buy one of these, and probably put the address as well here if you want to come and buy in Mangalore or even the Bangalore location if you wish to come and buy one of these. And trust me, very, very good. Sir, any offers currently?
Yeah.
Okay, what is the offer that you have? Okay. So for the next 3 days, there is 10% off. Anybody who wishes to buy one of these, you can come check them out at Power Sports, and every 10% off. So for this, it will be flat 1,000 rupees off. So currently this is 9,999, which is 10k. 10% is 1,000 rupees. Worth the while. I think one of the best riding jackets currently that you can see. So visit Power Sports and know more about this riding jacket. ಗೌತಮ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ಹೆಂಗಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಮಂಗಳೂರು? ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬೇಕಾ?
ಫುಲ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸು.
ಫುಲ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸಾ? ಯಾವುದು? ವಾಟರ್ ಮೆಲನಾ, ಲೆಮನಾ, ಹಿಂಗೆ?
ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸು.
ಎಳ್ನೀರು ಕುಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಎಬ್ಬಿ ಎಳ್ನೀರು ಕುಡ್ದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಗೆ ಹೊಡಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಳ್ನೀರು. ನಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಸರಿಗೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ.
ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹೊಡಿಯೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಗೆ ಹೊಡಿಯೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಹೊಡೆದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇದೇನು ಸರಿ ಹೊಡೆಯೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಪೈನಾಪಲ್ ತಿಂದ್ರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು.
ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು.
ನೀವ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರ? ಬಂದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್. ನಾನು ನೆನ್ನೆ ತಾನೇ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? We should ride once.
So check out Gautam's channel. I'm going to give a link in the description as well on here, his Instagram ID as well as his YouTube channel. You should go check his adventure. He does some crazy adventure, goes around places on his Himalayan, which is also named as Jimki. Yeah, not the Jimki Kamal though. So yeah, he's been doing a lot of traveling, and he plans to do a all India ride very soon, if I'm not wrong.
ಹೌದು.
Yes. So stay tuned. Only if you follow him, you will come to know what are the stuff he's planning to do. And I need not tell, a lot of people who already is watching this video would follow him directly or indirectly. So that way. So stay tuned. So he's come all the way from Bangalore for this launch. So
and to meet Girish Shetty. Actually ತುಂಬಾ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೀಟ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾನು ಸಚಿನ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಂತ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ಬರ್ತಾರ ಫೋನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
So you've seen these different jackets. I think it's very, very, very good. The quality of the jacket is extremely good, and where this riding jacket will shine is in any tropical area where you need something which is breathable at the same time safe. All those places this jacket will outperform, especially like Mangalore, Goa, you name anywhere which is very hot region, you should consider one of these. Very, very good. And the build quality of the jacket is supreme. and goes without saying, comes with level 2 armors across apart from chest, which is wonderful. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until the next video, bye bye. And Gautam, if you want to sign off your style.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಗೌತಮ್ ನಾಯ್ಡು signing off Weekend on Wheels. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Chital Pata.